Fun learning with Anhal.
Like, subscribe and share. Let's learn about the antonyms. Day. It is a sunny day. Night. It is a dark night. Day and night. Big. Elephant is big. Small. Ant is small. Big and small. Black. Color of cat is black. White. Color of dog is white. Black and white. Hot. Weather is hot. Cold. Weather is cold. Hot and cold. Happy. Girl is happy. Sad. Boy is sad. Happy and sad. Rich. The man is rich. Poor. The man is poor. Rich and poor. Young. Boy is young. Old. Man is old. Young and old. Healthy. Boys are healthy. Sick. Boy is sick. Healthy and sick. Fast. Rabbit is fast. Slow. Turtle is slow. Fast and slow. Strong. Boy is strong. Weak. Man is weak. Strong and weak.
Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video.